Welcome to the complete tutorial on how to design your portfolio website. This tutorial has a breakdown on what you are expected to add on your portfolio website. So I break it down for you, ranging from the sections you are going to include in your portfolio and all that. So this is a simple portfolio website, just a single page where we have the navigation menu by the left with your profile icon and key important sections by the right that are made of the content page. So, and at the end of the day, you should be able to have something like this. So let me include this back to the frame and show you the preview. So at the end of the day, you should have something like this. This is a very simple, unique, yet professional portfolio website. So you can see what you're going to have. So now you're going to take your computer and pay attention. We'll do it step by step until we get to the last point. See you in the next lecture.